didn't get to see this part of the nature center the last time I went. The last couple times I went. It's good.
Now they only have one left. There were 6 that hatched on Easter. I think that's all.
So cute.
These guys again. Woo-wee. Well, I'm glad this day is over now. I learned that everyone was being sent home from work. I proudly finished this trail. And now I can do whatever the fuck I want. So I'm heading out and I'm gonna do whatever for the rest of this free afternoon. So cut the fucking tape with a car like that, shit.